Hi, welcome back. Last week I had gone for my elder daughter's convocation ceremony in one of India's top institutes. And this what I'm trying to narrate today is something related to my observations during that period. So this convocation ceremony had got fixed up long back, and we had booked our tickets quite in advance so that we reach in time and all that. And once the date came closer, the program was supposed to be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon or something like that. As the program became closer, they said there is a rehearsal which will take place maybe before this and so on and so forth. 1 or 2 days before, they said, it is compulsory that you need to attend, or in a district you need to try and come and things like that. And on the day when we were about to reach, they suddenly said the rehearsal is going on, you need to come, otherwise you will be treated as absent. I'm just giving you the background of. So by the time we reached the institute and reached the hall where it was happening, the rehearsal was almost completed. I like to, in fact, we reached in just in time because the representative of our class was good enough to come out and pull us in and provide the immediate coat and all that so that she could go in there. So what is interesting is when she went and spoke to the first person who was supposed to allow her to attend this program. So he said, no, I cannot do this. This is not as per process. Like what all of us do very often. It's not as per rules or something. He said, I don't know, because I was watching from a distance. So then afterwards they went and approached another 2 people who were on stage. There were I think some 6 or 7 people like this who came late and who couldn't attend the rehearsal. And these people were very cool. They took their names and said, okay, you get your stuff and join during the program at 2 o'clock. And they were very cool about it. So we again went to the office to get the coat and the shawl or whatever you call that for the convocation. And this person whom we met first was again there. And again he started this, no, I cannot do this. This is not allowed. This is not as per rules. And he said only the student is allowed, and he went inside. And again the same thing, my daughter told me later on, the same thing played out even in the room. The other 2 people came there and they said we already taken the names and made her attend the program and so on. So I was thinking this is something which keeps happening in our everyday lives. If you're probably in a decision making role, you get a lot of problems which come to you. And very often what happens is we try to diverse this, things which come to us by saying this is not as per process, this is not as per the rules, this is not legally correct, and so on and so forth, so that it doesn't stay on our bucket, it doesn't stay in our inbox. Instead of taking a decision where we could probably find a solution to that problem which was being addressed to us, we try to hide behind these different things and push it back to the person or push it to somebody else, and so on and so forth. So what I was trying to say is we don't have a solution based approach to these issues which keep coming up. I'm just recollecting a few days back, I was also watching this video by Vijay Kurian, who's IAS person who had opened the Cochin airport. Cochin airport was unique because it was the first airport in the country which was opened under private-public partnership. And he was narrating, when you're opening such a big project where you have to acquire land, build in projects, and probably the first in its category, there are a lot of new things which keep coming up. So you have to take those risks and take those decisions. And sometimes he was telling when the first time when they went to get funding, they'd come out with a program which was look brilliant in paper, but when you actually went and executed it, became a pauper. They were trying to they were aiming at some 80 crores of money, and they ended up getting 5 crores or something. So they had to change direction, understand. So what I'm saying is our entire lifetime is about decisions, whether it's your personal life or whether it's of official life. We have to take those decisions. And if we actually bias our decision with a solution-based approach, how do I find a solution to this problem? Then you will be able to find more realistic, practicable solutions which will ensure these things are solved out and these things are implemented on, depending on what kind of problems are coming to you. I also remember a small video which I had seen some time back about a Talsildar. He was narrating an incident about an old lady who was coming and talking to him. And what very often happens is people are not able to explain their problem to us, and since we are in a position where these kind of issues keep coming to us, it is very routine for us. But for the person who is coming, it is a very unique problem which is very difficult, and very often they are not able to communicate that back to us. So in case you would like to read more about the solution-based approach to your decision making, please visit my LinkedIn page, Rijo's Business Bites, or my website, rijofrancis.com. Till we meet next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.